Ulanzi, Sony, DJI, sirui. We're going to work from the top down. Sony tough memory card, nice. DJI Mic 2. This display looks good in person, really good. It has like a cool attachment, so it pops right in.
Wait, DJI Mic 2 mic test.
I brought the lights out because stuff's about to get serious. I've got the Sony ZV-E10. So for a little bit of context before I continue, I actually brought this camera second hand. I won an auction on eBay and I ended up paying around £675 for the Sony ZV-E10 with a Sigma 16mm lens, which I thought was a pretty good bargain. So is wrap my lens in kitchen roll. This is probably, other than the camera itself obviously, the thing I was most excited for, because I'm going to stick this to the car, then I'm going to be able to do car vlogs. I trust that it works. What's exciting me about this is how small this box is in itself. Okay, this is actually super impressive. This is so cool. This is the ultimate vlogger setup. I do plan on upgrading pretty soon. Like, as soon as I get the hang of this, I'll get another camera and another camera. The whole idea behind photography, like the metrics, like, you know, ISO, the exposure, like white balance, you know, the shutter rate, shutter speed. What's the shutter speed? Is it the shutter speed? I'm embarrassing myself right now. Cinematography and videography is actually really important. It's not as simple as you might think. Like, I would be one of those people saying that, like, I could take a good picture. Like, who can't take a good picture? But there's a lot behind it, which makes me just respect the craft a lot more.